Louisiana is debating giving tax breaks as well as additional revenue streams to athletes that decide to come to their state. If passed, these new tax breaks would exempt college athletes from state income taxes on their name, image, and likeness deals that they strike. A new fund would also allocate tax dollars to Division I athletes. Supporters state that because of the $500 million economic impact that LSU athletics has on the state economy, that these tax breaks are justified. Critics, however, argue that this would widen the gap between the finances of the academic departments versus the athletic ones, however, in the state. You also have programs like graduate assistant programs that have to pay state taxes. And I think if you're going to force graduate assistants and everyone else to pay state taxes, if you come to this state in order to play sports, you should also have to pay state taxes. Either everyone has to pay the same rate or no one has to pay it, in my opinion. I also don't think that if you spend more taxpayer dollars on the Division I athletic programs like LSU, you're going to make more money back from those than you would already. Even if you have a losing team in the LSU football program, it is still an event that is fun to go to and people will continue to go to even if they are losing. And with the amount of money being thrown at the LSU athletic program from private individuals, I just don't see a reason why we should be throwing our tax dollars at it also. Now, the way that they would be planning to fund this adventure of theirs would be to increase the sport gambling tax from 15% to 32.5%. And I just couldn't disagree with this law more, and I'm sure that Louisiana isn't the first, nor will it be the last state to try to throw taxpayer dollars at NIL programs or athletic programs in order to make their state more successful when it comes to athletics.